With the VÖLKEL Navigator, VÖLKEL has developed a modular system for the requirements of digital road construction. The Navigator case includes the GNSS RTK receiver with LTE modem and the Navigator display with the CCC, PAVE and CCC-A applications. VÖLKEL's manufacturer-independent setup package, featuring the quality and convenience of an ex-factory integrated solution, enables the subsequent digitization of a mixed machine fleet. The GNSS modem unit is positioned on the machine roof. The display is inserted into the quick release and starts automatically when the machine ignition is switched on. The cross-machine technology concept offers flexibility. The very same Navigator set works on both rollers and pavers. The setup packages are modular and can be flexibly adapted to the respective requirements. A surface temperature sensor is used for temperature scanning behind the screed. The plug-in system, supplied in a case, can be mounted in just a few steps. The sensor carrier is mounted at the paver's roof without needing tools. The carrier can be swiveled for easy handling and sensor setup. The Navigator display recognizes the equipped paver and automatically starts the PAVE Navigator application. Automatic recognition of the machine type enables universal use of the Navigator case. The machine parameters are stored once in the intelligent node when the setup package is installed. The display's operation is intuitive. All settings can be made remotely as well. The recording of data starts automatically. This means that even inexperienced users are supported 100% in their work. Whether on single drum rollers, asphalt pavers, or tandem rollers, using the manufacturer-independent VÖLKEL Navigator, you only need one system for all your machinery. VÖLKEL simply installs success.